Hello everyone, I am Dr. Bhavna Mangla from Skin Mantra. Today I'll be discussing about the treatment for the unwanted facial and body hair. I'll also be sharing my experience with the different lasers in this video, so kindly watch the video till the end. Let's start with the causes of the excessive hair. First is the genetics. If excessive hair run in your families, you might also develop them. Second, the hormonal imbalance. Due to overproduction of androgens or male hormones, you can develop excessive hair. If this is also associated with acne, irregular menses, weight gain and thinning of the scalp hair, then you might be suffering from polycystic ovarian syndrome, and in that case you need to consult an endocrinologist and take appropriate treatment. Third is the use of the steroid creams. Overusage of the steroid creams can lead to thinning of facial skin and development of the facial hair. So never use them without the recommendation of the dermatologist. Fourth, health supplements. The health supplements that you generally consume for your muscle building might contain growth hormones. So always use them as advised by your health trainers. How can you treat facial hair? Now there are different modalities like waxing, plucking, threading and use of trimmers. The disadvantage with all of them is you have to do them repetitively and every time you get the same density and same thickness of the hair. So what is the solution? Science has come up with the laser hair reduction technology with which you can safely and effectively treat all the unwanted facial and body. What are the indications for the laser hair reduction? Means the conditions where we should get the laser hair reduction done. First is hidradenitis suppurativa. In the underarms and in the private areas, some people develop nodules and cysts and they are really painful. So if in spite of taking the medications the condition recurs, then you should opt for the laser hair reduction. Second is fissures and fistulas. In the region of the anal cleft, some people develop these painful fissures and fistulas. Such cases are usually referred to us by the surgeons and they again need a hair reduction to prevent the recurrence of the disease. Third is the post-waxing folliculitis and ingrown hair. In young women or females, generally post-waxing, they develop small pus-filled lesions on the legs, back, arms, and these when healed, they leave bad pigmented marks. So this condition again needs a laser hair reduction. Other than these indications, nowadays, rather than going for waxing and threading, patients are opting for the laser hair reduction to treat their hair safely and effectively. Now let me share my experience with different laser systems for the laser hair reduction.
12 years back, I purchased Long Pulse Nd:YAG laser. It was supposed to be the best laser for the Indian skin. Gives excellent results for the thick and coarse hair. Very powerful machine and can be done on the small areas like eyebrows, beard, ear, etc. But the disadvantage was it was quite painful, spot size was small, so it took really long to do the full body. Few years later, virtually painless laser emerged in the market, which was 810 nanometer in motion diode. Patients were really thrilled as they could get it done even on the sensitive areas like underarms and private areas, as the treatment was really comfortable. Results were quite encouraging on the body, but on the face I was not very happy as it used to turn thick hair into the fine and long hair. So for the thicker hair, Long Pulse Nd:YAG had an upper hand as the hair used to vanish. Then I was thinking some technology should emerge which can give me results as good as Long Pulse Nd:YAG but at the same time as comfortable as 810 nanometer in motion diode. Then few years later, mixed wavelength emerged in the market. The results were very encouraging and at the same time treatments were very comfortable. It could treat all the type of the hair safely and effectively. We could complete our full body hair reduction session in just 3 to 4 hours, which used to take nearly 8 to 10 hours with the previous technologies. But disadvantage was it is difficult to do on the small areas like mid-brows, beard region, ear as the spot size is bigger.
In the nutshell, there is no single laser in the market which can effectively treat all the patients. And sometimes what happens is in the same patient we use all the three lasers to treat different body areas depending upon the thickness and the density of the hair. What is more important is if you are planning to get the laser hair reduction, always make sure you go to a good reputed dermatology center. The machines should be branded machines, US FDA approved machines. They should be high power and they should have a good cooling system to ensure the safety of your skin. The person who is doing your treatment should be a skilled person, and always request your dermatologist to perform it on the face because then you can get very good results in the minimum number of sessions. I hope the video will be useful to you. In case of any queries, you can always mail us or put in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. Stay healthy and stay blessed. Thank you so much.